Hey everybody, long time no see. Infection in my equilibrium, something else. I think I got about 3-4 days. I know it'd be done by Friday, so whatever today is, Tuesday. But I'm feeling pretty decent today. My head ain't spinning around. My equilibrium's getting stable, and so I got works to do. I got those windows that I was talking about in some of my earlier videos for the they came through Amazon. These windows here, they've been leaking, so yeah, need to get those changed out. Tires need to be changed, but they're not an immediate problem. They could easily last until the first year, unless something happens. So I'm gonna change out all four of those, all four of the windows, fill them up, get those changed out. I have some quick disconnects, if you guys know what those are. Let me get up under here so I can show you. Those right there are what you call quick connects, and there's a few of them on here that leak, and I have maybe about 10,000 of them at the house from a deal I made at an auction. And so I have plenty of those. I need to hook up the air and find which ones are leaking, put some soap on them, take them off and replace them. So yeah, I'll have to do that. And then there's a valve. Let me see if we can get you zoomed in. That valve, the one on the top of the tank, which would be, I don't know if I can get that one right there, is leaking. So I need to get that one off, go to town and find a replacement for it, which is unusual that I didn't see this one here leaking. I'll check it again, but I'll get some air on here after I'm done doing my windows, get some air on here and check for leaks. I want to get all the leaks taken care of. Don't want DOT finding those leaks, and I don't need leaks anyway, so even if DOT don't find them. So yes sir, me under the trailer. Let me get out of here. So I just brought the truck down here because I got my jumpsuit and my white muddy tennis shoes, and yes, I did get them cleaned up and got the iron mud off of them, but now they got different types of mud on them. So, but that's why I carry them around, so all my good shoes don't get abused too bad. So yeah, that's what I'm fixing to do, and I'm feeling better. That's a great thing, to be feeling better. So yeah, that COVID was something else, man. Let's see. It took I don't know, I guess 10 days to get over the COVID. And afterwards I had congested lungs and was able to get some medicine for that. And then I got a sinus infection, and I was on the road. And so that actually moved up into, and sinus infection was miserable. If y'all remember, I was complaining about it, but it had moved up into my equilibrium, and that just, with no equilibrium, you're out of the game, or I was out of the game anyway. I don't know about y'all. I don't see how you can function without it, unless you have big bumpers. Anywho, So yeah, I'm doing better. I'm gonna get some work done, and looking for a load for Monday because my medicine will run out on Friday. So Monday will be a good day to get out of here. That's approximately 2 weeks at the house, and need to get back on the road and start bringing in the dough. With the way times are getting, the way they're getting, I think it's best to stay on top of making an income because, man, it's looking bad. Our future is looking bad in America, and I really don't want to get on that. So if you don't mind, I really don't want to get on it. I got a lot to say, but I really don't want to talk about it on YouTube. And so I'm gonna get to work. God bless. Have lots of fun, and hope you guys are doing well out there. Later.